So finally, we are back, guys, with again the coding questions that got asked in TCS NQT. Okay, so in this video, we will be discussing about the coding questions that got asked in TCS NQT 20th May. Okay, so in this video, we will be solving the 20th May question. First of all, make sure to like this video. Okay, and also let's start. See, frankly speaking, both the coding questions are not tough. Both the coding questions are easy to solve. Let's solve them. Before solving them, let's start with the TCS NQT mock test series. If you guys have not enrolled, you can enroll in TCS NQT mock test series. The link will be in the description. You will be getting the daily test for practice. Also, you will be getting the practice coding sheets. All the sheets are available here, which you can use for your TCS NQT exam for preparation. Plus, you will be getting the actual live test. Okay, so these live tests will be very, very important, as in these live tests, there will be some actual exam sheet. So basically, in these live sets, you will be getting the questions which are very similar to TCS NQT exam, and if you will be attempting them, you will be see your rankings. You will be seeing your rankings. So based on that, you can predict how is your performance, how will you perform in the actual exam. And multiple mock test practice sets, if you can see here, for verbal, reasoning, quant, for each and every topic is available for preparation. So you can enroll in TCS NQT mock test series, and if you want, you can check the reviews also from the previous students. There are a lot, huge number of selections there, so you can enroll. The link will be in the description. Let's start. So the first question which got asked in 20th May exam was: a food delivery company tracks the preparation time of every customer order in minutes. The company defines a quick order as order time is less than k, where the order time equals to the time taken to complete the order and k is the maximum allowed quick delivery thresholds. You are given an array of orders containing order completion time and integer. Your task is to generate an analytical report containing the following things to find: the last quick order, the longest quick order streak, and total quick orders. Okay, so these three things we need to find out. See, if you are understanding the question, let's start. Okay, so we already read the question, what actually it means. Okay, so they are saying basically there will be some array given like this, suppose 10, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, these are the order completion time. Okay, so they are saying order time is equals to the time taken to complete the order, and k is the maximum allowed quick delivery threshold. So suppose k is equals to 6. Okay, which is given, and this is one array, and these are the order completion time. Okay, so these two things are given. Okay, we need to find the last quick order. So what they define, what is the quick order? So a quick order is basically if is a order is completing within this time. Okay, so last quick order will be, if you can see here, last quick order will be this one only, because this is the only one which is within the threshold time. Okay, so this will be the last quick order. Last quick order, so last quick order will be 5. Okay, and what then they are asking: longest quick order streak. So longest quick order streak, if you will see here, only one order is there. Okay, for longest, so one. And total quick orders, so total quick orders will be also one. Now let's change the array a little bit, so we will get some more details. So suppose the array is like this. Okay, suppose a array is like this. Okay, for this array, let's talk about the test cases. So first we need to print the last quick order. Okay, so what will be the last quick order? Last quick order will be k is equals to 6, right? So the order which is completed within this time, the last one is this one, right? So the last quick order will be 3. Okay, then what we need to print is longest quick order streak. So the longest quick order streak will be the, if you can see here, this is the quick order, then this is the quick order. So maximum quick orders streak is 2, right? So it will print 2, because this is the streak, right, in which the quick orders are completing. Then again there is 6, so 6 is again not a quick order because the threshold time is 6, right? So this is the longest streak, this is the single one, right? So that's why the answer will be 2, because there are total 2 members which complete the quick order. Okay, then total quick orders, so total quick orders will be 1, 2, and 3, which is completed within 6 minutes, right? So 3 to 3, this will be our output. Okay, I hope question is clear. How we will be solving it? Okay, very easy. Okay, first suppose this is our orders array, so we will be taking the input. Okay, So I hope you guys know how to take the inputs. We will be taking the value of n, like c in n or whatever the language you use. After taking the n, we will be creating a loop from I to n, and we will be taking the array input, right? ARR of I. So that way we will be taking the input. Okay, after taking the array input, what we need to do, we need to find three things, right? So first we will be assigning the last quick order as -1. Okay, last quick order. Total number of quick orders 0. Current streak is 0 and longest streak is 0. Okay, because we need to find out the maximum streak as well, okay, of the orders. Let's trace the orders. So we are putting the loop here. Okay, so first of all, what is a quick order? If the time, okay, if the time, so order in the orders array we are just extracting the element one by one. If the time is less than k, that is a quick order, right? So if the time is less than k, so first of all, we are assigning in the last quick order as a time. Okay, so that one we are assigning as a quick order, because see, this loop will be working. So it will be starting from here, from the first element, and it will end here, right? From 12 to 1. So whatever the quick order will be, it will be at the loop last. It will be at the loop last. Okay, so that's why each and every time when there is a quick order, we will be assigning it as a last quick order. Okay, so whenever the loop ends, we will be getting the last quick order in this variable. Okay, so we will be assigning that here, and we will be increasing the total number of quick orders, because that also we need to print. Okay, so whenever we are getting this, like if the time is less than k, okay, so we are assigning the last quick order, we are increasing the total number of orders. Okay, also we are increasing the current streak. Okay, we are increasing the current streak, and we will be taking the maximum of the longest streak and current streak. Okay, there is a variable called longest streak. Okay, and in this longest streak variable, we will be basically storing the maximum streak, right? So for now we are storing our current streak, and whenever the streak breaks, like this loop, okay, like if the time is not less than k, then again we will assign the current streak as 0. Okay, let's solve this in a test case so we will understand it better. Okay, we will understand it better. Let's solve this with the test case, so you will be knowing like what is going on. So the value of k is 10. Okay, so first there is a 12. Okay, not a quick order. Then there is a 5. Now this is the quick order, right? So first we will be assigning as last quick order, it will be assigning as 5. We will be increasing the total number of quick order as 1, because this is the first one. Okay, and for the current streak, the value will be current streak, and longest streak, the value will be 1. Okay, for the longest streak, the value will be 1, and current streak is also 1. Now we will be on 7. So last quick will be updated to 7. The total number of orders will become 2, and the current streak will become 2, and the longest streak will also become 2. Now there is 15. Okay, it is not a quick order, so longest streak will be still 2, because this is the longest streak, but the current streak now will become 0. Okay, now we have 3. So if we have 3, the last quick order will become 3, the number of total quick orders will become 3, the current streak will become 1, and it will compare with the longest streak. If you are saying longest streak is 2 and the current streak is 1, so still the longest is 2, so we will not replace it. Okay, so that's how our loop will work, and we will be storing everything. At last we will be printing the last quick order, longest quick order streak, and total quick orders. Okay, and that's it. So this will be our C++ code, then this will be our Java code. Okay, now let's talk about the second question. This is the second question. Okay, and also TCS NQT mock test sheet, you will be getting multiple coding sheets. Also the previous year question we already uploaded on the YouTube, which you can get, plus live test. So link in the description of the mock test series, which you can enroll. Talking about the second question, a teacher wants to classify students into the performance based on the marks. The grade criteria is the students who are scoring between 90 to 100 is getting grade A, 80 to 89 will be getting B, 70 to 79 C, 60 to 69 D, 0 to 59 E. The invalid marks is less than 0 and greater than 100. Okay, given the marks of any students, count the number of students in each band. Okay, we need to count the number of students in each band, okay, and print the band having the highest frequency. Okay, so this is the basic thing. And if all marks are invalid, print X. If multiple bands have the same highest count, print the lexicographically smallest band. Okay, so this is the question. So first of all, I hope the question you guys already know. Okay, so this is the marks range and this is the band. Okay, first of all, we need to count the total number of students which are falling in this bands. Okay, and the highest frequency band. Okay, so basically, uh, let's talk about the input. Okay, so suppose this is the input, this is the array. Okay, now in this input, in this array, if you will see here, we are, what is the band count for A? Okay, so A is basically between 90 to 100. So total number of students which are scoring between 90 to 100 is 2. For B, it is only one, this one. Okay, so 1. For C, it is only one, this one. And then for E, this is only one, this one. Okay, so what highest frequency? Highest frequency we have for A. So we will be printing A as the output. Simple. Okay. So we need to count the number of students in each band and print the band having the highest frequency. So A is having the highest frequency. That's why we have printed A. Simple. Okay. So that's we need to do in this question. So first of all, we will be creating one map. Okay. We will be creating one map, and this map will be of string type and int type. So basically to count the, so to count the basically the bands. Okay, so we are initializing this map. So our map will look like this. In the A, currently in the front of A, there will be total 0 band. In the front of B, there will be 0 band. For C, it's 0. For D, it is 0. For E, it is 0. And for X also, it is 0. So this is our current map, which we have initialized. Okay. Then we will take the input. Okay, and we will be taking the marks array. After taking the marks array, we will be checking for different condition. We are just looping our marks array. Okay, and we are checking if the number is less than 0 and if it is greater than 100, then we will be increasing the X band, right? If it is greater than or equals to 90, okay, then we will be increasing the number in A band. Okay, so A band will be increased. Then if it is greater than 80, then B band will be increased. Else, if it is greater than 70, C will be increased. If it is greater than 60, then D will be increased. Else E will be increased, right? And now we will be checking if all inputs are invalid. There is a condition: if all inputs are invalid, then we need to print X, right? So we will be putting this condition: if bands X equals to N, that means the frequency of bands X is total number of elements which are present in the array. Okay, then we will be printing the X. Otherwise, we are initializing the max count because we need to find out the maximum number, right? Maximum number, maximum frequency from our map. Okay, suppose our map is looking like this: A is 4, B is 2, C is 1, and D is 3. Okay, so we need to find out the maximum frequency, right? So first of all, we will be checking that what is the maximum frequency here. So we will be looping our map, which is bands. Okay, after iterating it, we are checking the max count. How we are checking the max count? The max count and it dot second. That's how we find out the maximum number, right? So we are checking here the maximum count. So now our maximum count is 4, right? Now our maximum count is 4. We need the lexicographically minimum letter, right? Because that's they are asking. So currently we are putting, okay, we are currently putting the answer as Z, because this is the maximum. This is the maximum, right? Z is the maximum character. Now we will be again looping our map. Okay, and we will be checking if the count is matching with the map. So highest frequency count was 4. Okay, suppose the value of D is also 4. Okay, suppose the value of D is also 4. So these two are maximum. What we need to print is A, because A is lexicographically smaller. Okay, so what we are storing here, if the count is matching, if the count is matching of the frequency, okay, then the answer will be the minimum of answer and it dot first. That means we will be printing the minimum answer of the lexicographically smaller alphabet. Okay, so that's what we are storing in our answer, and at last we are printing it. So this is the code of this question. I hope you guys got the questions. Thank you so much for watching.